So this video is for YouTubers. If you're just a subby that watch videos, you ain't even gonna hear about this. So I have been on YouTube for almost 2 years. In 2020 spring, it'll be 2 years. But I just now discovered this the other day. So I'm sure you guys already know about it, but I don't see a lot of girls with it. So anyway, let's just click on a random video. Oh, snow. Of course, an ad. I don't like ads as much as you guys, but hey, it helps.
Paper was just
Look.
Let me try the marker.
Okay, so I paused it real quick. Look in the corner. It's a little craft purge emblem symbol thing. I just made this little image in my silhouette. If you don't have a silhouette, use any type of or the arts and craft file on your computer, you know, whatever comes with your computer. And when you hover over it, the subscribe button pops up as well. So when someone's watching your channel, they will always see your little name down here. It has to be a square shape. I did add a circle though on the inside. It's there and it's kind of like translucent looking until you actually click it. So I thought that was super neat and it's cute and it's little and it's on every single one of my videos. So I'm going to show you the new version because they do have the classic Studio Creator. But anyway, this is the newer one. Over here, you'll see a bunch of stuff. And then you'll see the settings option over here with the little gear. You want to click that. Then you'll see these tabs on the left-hand side. You'll want to click channel. And then over here, there's 3 little tabs at the top. You're going to want to pick branding. Branding your videos. And that's it, you guys. Look, so you can do at the end of the video, the beginning, or wherever you want, or the entire video. So I did the entire video, and it did every single video. So because I already have one there, it says replace. But I'm sure it says like upload or something. And it just picks out your files or whatever. So you have it and it's there. But when I first did this the other day, when I went to go look at my videos after I saved all the settings, it wasn't there. There was no little branding emblem anywhere on any of my videos. So I gave up like, this option's broken. But literally 3 days later, I just happened to be rewatching one of my videos and it was there. It popped up. So I was super excited. It was just a little delayed showing up, but it's there now and it's on every single one of my videos. So it's super cute, simple, little, and subtle. But yeah, that's how you do it. All right. Bye, guys.